suspension on.
Yep.
And we're going to your favourite bit.
It's my favourite bit.
Of all that effort, everything we've done over there.
Yeah,
and it comes down to this one bit.
Because this is a magic moment. This is the power of the internet.
Being good.
Being good, yeah. Good social media connections. And I've said all the way along, my favourite thing about all of this is...
the people.
People, yeah. And Matthew is a star person. A star people.
And Wren has no idea.
No. This is Wren's Magura.
Clutch lever.
Magura. How do I say it?
Magura.
Magura lever. Clutch lever.
Yep.
And she had a stray...
She had a whoops.
She had a whoops.
There you go. Have this. I'll get the other one.
And in her whoops, she lost her brake lever.
She lost her end.
So she had, when Bubba came to us, Bubba had this on, which isn't a...
No, this is a...
It doesn't even
like
look
an
similar.
anal kind of... It was horrible as well. It felt awful. Just doesn't fit.
No, it doesn't. So, when we went to Stafford Classic... You have this. When we went to Stafford Classic, I was searching for this particular lever because, to use your dad's reference, apparently they are like rocking horse poop to find.
They are indeed. We did find one. It just would have come with the whole motorbike.
Yes, yeah, we did find one, but it was attached to a bike. And we were searching, and the theme of the video was that Joe kept saying no, he kept saying no. And then Matthew got in touch to say, I might have one of them in my shed.
Always the way. There's always
yeah.
stuff stored away in somebody's shed.
And then he very, very, very kindly...
Just posted it.
Said, I'll post it, yeah. And it is the right one, the right side.
The rarest of rare.
The rarest of rare. It needs clean. We're going to give it a clean in a minute.
Yep, polish them up and we'll get them on the handlebars.
Put it on Bubba. But I'm just so excited because I love when things match and they're coordinated. It really pleases me.
My eye's twitching. My eye is actually twitching. For those of you, whether you're new or old to the channel, that do not know, in moments of stress, I have a real bad tendency to end up having a twitch in my left eye. And I've just said to Emily, because she wanted the back wheel, so we could do it together. And I said, well, the rear axle and all the assembly needs cleaning. So you do that. Well, I put all the wiring in the headlight because nobody wants to do that job. I said, the only thing is, I've put all this in the order that it goes on the bike, so make sure it stays in this order. And she just poured it all over the floor. All of it.
I got 3 pieces here now as well.
Oh.
It was an accident. I was trying my best. I am often the reason that your left eye twitches.
Oh, well, you know what you need to do. Open Hitchcock's. Find the parts diagram.
Well, now they're all on the floor, I may as well, like, see that bit's still attached. I was trying, I didn't realise they weren't attached on the end. Then they all just slid off.
What did you just do? You better get that back before it sinks.
Ow.
What happened?
There's a spring and the spring went and the stuff No.
It's all goopy. That's a face. Look at that face.
Oh, this cloth's going in the bin now.
Emily's doing the... What else needs doing before this thing can actually turn on?
Yeah, I want it to make a noise before I go to bed. I don't really care what noise it is anymore. And then Joe says we need to do the oil thing. And so I undid it. And before I had a chance to put my hands there...
We'll deal with that after it's laid on.
This spring went... This spring... went doing.
There's a spring in there, is there?
Yeah.
Oh. Check that out. Okay.
Oh, go wash my hands in a minute. Ah, this is grim.
Do we want the oil filter out of there?
There's an oil filter in here.
Yep.
Hang on. It's one of these.
Remember what order these
Oh,
go
I'm
in?
going to have to put my... With that, hang on. Go on then. That come out. Then that. Then that fell off. Then there was the spring. And then that.
This is your in-depth filing system.
Just don't move it.
Oh, you got him?
I got... Oh.
Check your
I told you I was doing it.
Filter.
As I said, there's two We'll buy this line between the two.
Start on, gear change on, and kick it through a few times and check the level. We've been in conference about the reasons why this bike we spent hours rebuilding might potentially not want to come back to life. And after much deliberation and consideration on the situation we have, I'm going to say I'm tired. And you don't have the motorcycle base knowledge.
No, but this is something you should have known.
But electric doesn't jump. I mean, it does, but not that far.
We're
What's missing?
We're missing a cable from this spark plug across to this piece here that gives you the
Zappy Go-Go's.
zaps. Yeah. You found it.
Right. Right. Him on there. Look at that. Click.
Ah, click.
We have got a new spark plug to go in there, actually.
Because you've just had me believing that I was unable to kickstart this bike.
Well, I mean, we're still going to find that out. And that's yet to be confirmed. Don't be gloating too soon, Emily.
I wasn't gloating, more just pointing out how you were suggesting that I couldn't, when like you were setting me up to fail all along with a bit missing.
They've all been set up to fail.
That's not got to stay like that, sure.
Nah, it's too long. We'll trim that down.
Oh!
That was good. That was a kickback.
He blew off.
Wow.
That was a noise.
Man.
Why did he do that?
I don't know.
There's obviously a pressure.
There's definitely a pressure in there. My God.
Is it because there's the tissue still in the end?
No.